Here's a tutorial on my signature Gyaru makeup that I use for Himekaji, Amura, and Agajo. Let's get to Dolly business. So first I make sure to moisturize my face. Afterwards I apply foundation. Then I make sure to blend in my foundation. Next I apply 3 dots under my eyes for my concealer and dots around my mouth also for concealer. Afterwards, I make sure to blend, and afterwards I apply a very pink rose blush. I apply the blush on my cheeks and my nose. Next, I go in and I fix my eyebrows. Then I use a finishing powder to set everything I've put on my face so far. Afterwards, I use a eyeshadow base from Can Make. And Flower Nose has been my go-to for eyeshadow recently. First, I use this kind of white base. At first, it doesn't look like it's doing much, but once you apply the next layer, which is the glittery eyeshadow on top, you can see why I applied the white base first. I apply to both eyes and then I go in with a brown color and I lightly brush it around the top and corner of my eye, and afterwards I even go in with the white and blend it some more. Then I use my Fenty Beauty palette and I use the darkest brown shade that isn't glittery to make basically a shadow for my eyeliner. This really helps with the Dolly look. Afterwards, I go in with the same eyeshadow I used on my eyelids and I apply it to my bottom lids. Then I go in with a Can Make eyeliner. Why did I pause so much on that part? I just do a small simple wing, and then afterwards I go ahead and I put my eyelashes. These are from Diamond Lash, which is a very famous Gyaru eyelash brand in Japan. They're 3D pop-ups, so it makes your eyes look even more dolly. And then I go in with a mascara to the exposed eyelashes. Then I go in with a brownish shimmer lipstick and then usually a pinkish rose lip gloss over it. And I do one more layer of a light pink blush. And that's my signature Gyaru make.